back with another fitness vlog. I'm at LA Fitness now, and today I'm gonna do the leg workout. Also I'm gonna do a little bit the forearm workout and the abs workout. So I'm trying to do one bigger muscle and two smaller muscles. So because I'm doing after so long, so I'm gonna try to do less leg workout because I have to go to work tomorrow, and my job is pretty much like more like a walking. So you know how the legs workout are. If you do like full leg muscle and all the leg workouts, then it's gonna be hard to work tomorrow. So I have to go lighter on myself, so that I'll try to make some videos and try to post it and keep you guys updated. So I'm not gonna be recording every single exercise that I do, but I will try to record the basic exercise for the leg workout and for the ab workout. So stay tuned and see you guys in the gym. Guys, so the first exercise we're gonna do the leg extension right here. So we're gonna engage the quad muscle first, and then we're gonna do the hamstring, which is leg curl, and then we're gonna do the leg press. No, the first we're gonna do for the calf exercises, and then we're gonna go to the bench press, which is gonna engage the whole leg muscle. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so the workout is done. I did most of the workout. I did the legs workout, and at the end we did a little bit 1-2 exercises of for the forearms and a few exercises for the abs. So that's it for today. Hopefully you guys like the video, and stay tuned for more video. Tomorrow we will be doing chest and the tricep, so stay tuned for that, and until then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Peace.